In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up email sync in Pipedrive. Now, the first thing you have to do here in your dashboard, you want to go to the top right and click on your profile icon, and then you want to click on Company Settings. In here, you want to go to My Account and click on Email Sync. Here you can put in your email. By default, it should be in here already. Now, in my case, I used Google to actually sign up, so that's why my email is already over here. And then you can simply click on the Get Started button over here. And then as you can see, you have to enable all email permissions, so we can just basically click Select All on next screen. So I'm going to click on Next over here, and it's going to pop up that exact screen. So there we go. We have to click on Continue first. Then you have to click Select All and click on Continue. Whenever you do this, it's going to basically start loading, and then it's going to take you back to Pipedrive. And as you can see here, it's going to say select email account type for your email. So I'm going to do personal account, click on Next, and then here it's going to say connected, and then you can see, of course, you have visibility and sharing. So I'm going to do private right now, and then I'm going to do sync settings. So it says past sync start time, and you can just basically go like however long you want, and then you can do sync emails from all folders or basically just from a specific folder. So I'm going to go and do from all folders, and I'm going to click on start sync. Now, whenever you've done that, this is going to basically start your sync, and now it says sync active. You've successfully set up email sync in Pipedrive. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.